When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, few upgrades make as much of an impact as a professional door replacement. In Fort Lauderdale, where both security and aesthetics matter, investing in expert door installation not only enhances your property's curb appeal but also fortifies your home against break-ins, severe weather, and daily wear. Let's explore how a professionally replaced door can significantly improve your home's safety and peace of mind. Reinforced materials for maximum protection. The material of your door plays a key role in your home's security. Professional installers in Fort Lauderdale offer high-quality options such as steel, fiberglass, and solid wood doors, all engineered to withstand force, weather damage, and corrosion. Unlike older or builder-grade doors that can warp or weaken over time, modern security doors feature reinforced cores and impact-resistant coatings that provide extra layers of protection against forced entry. Moreover, many new models are designed to meet Florida's stringent hurricane impact standards, meaning they can endure strong winds and flying debris. This added resilience not only deters intruders but also keeps your home secure during severe coastal storms, a critical benefit in South Florida's climate. Upgraded locking and frame systems. Even the strongest door can be a weak point if it's paired with an inferior lock or frame. Professional door replacement services in Fort Lauderdale ensure your new entryway includes high-grade locking mechanisms and reinforced door frames. Multi-point locks, deadbolts, and smart locking systems provide multiple layers of security that standard locks simply can't match. Additionally, professional installers secure the door frame with heavy-duty strike plates and longer screws anchored into the wall studs, making it much harder for intruders to kick in or pry open the door. When installed correctly, these upgrades turn your entryway into one of the most secure parts of your home. Advanced technology integration. Modern security doesn't stop at physical strength. Today's professional door replacements often integrate smart home technology that allows homeowners to monitor and control access remotely. With smart locks, video doorbells, and motion sensors, you can receive instant alerts on your phone when someone approaches your door or attempts entry. This level of control and visibility adds a powerful layer of convenience and security. In a bustling area like Fort Lauderdale, where many residents travel frequently or manage rental properties, having remote access to your home's entry system can make a world of difference. Improved energy efficiency and structural integrity. A secure home is also an efficient one. Old or improperly sealed doors often have gaps and cracks that make it easier for intruders to manipulate locks and easier for air to escape. A professional replacement ensures that your door is perfectly fitted and sealed, reducing energy loss while eliminating potential weak spots. High-quality doors come with insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glazing that keep your indoor temperatures stable and your energy bills low, all while enhancing your home's resistance to tampering and weather impact. Enhanced curb appeal. With security in mind. Security doesn't have to compromise style. Professional door replacement in Fort Lauderdale allows homeowners to choose from a wide range of designs, finishes, and materials that blend seamlessly with their home's architecture. You can have a beautiful entryway that impresses visitors while silently deterring intruders through its solid construction and advanced locking features. A professionally installed door sends a clear message: this home is well maintained and secure. Burglars tend to avoid properties that appear reinforced or equipped with modern entry systems, so your new door becomes both a functional and psychological deterrent. Conclusion: investing in professional door replacement in Fort Lauderdale is one of the smartest ways to enhance home security, comfort, and aesthetics simultaneously. With reinforced materials, upgraded locking systems, smart technology, and expert installation, you can rest easy knowing your home is well protected against both intruders and Florida's unpredictable weather. Whether you're upgrading for safety, style, or peace of mind, hiring a professional ensures that every aspect of your new door, from its frame to its final finish, works together to keep your Fort Lauderdale home secure and beautiful for years to come.